Okay, this is going to be the unboxing take 2 because I forgot to bring this out here. Anyway, like I said, I have this for comparison, and let's see, I just got this via FedEx like that, and I started to open it with the scissors, and anyway, I just wanted to show you the Technical Pro Boombox9, which I got the last one on sale for I think $67 from buydig.com on eBay, and the rest of them there are higher than that. So when I checked, and he has no more for sale at that price. And the reason for the measuring tape is because there is so many discrepancies on just how big this thing is. So here is the there it is, just the way I see it. Let me look behind the camera here. Can you see? Yeah, here, let me. There's a good shot quickly. Okay. So that's what I'm seeing. Get this thing out of here. This thing arrived so quickly because of FedEx and such. And there's the, well, the bill of lading and such. Okay. So now, here is the, and I'm not going to power this thing on, but I wanted to show you, or at least everybody, just how big this thing is in relation to my favorite box. And of course there's, okay. So now, here, let me, give you another shot of, let me look at this, make sure it's, okay, there's a good shot of that. Alright, and then, the same thing on this end? Yeah? I don't know. Okay. Alrighty, so, without further ado, let's pop the top. Comes with some nice, whatever there. And I'll put that over here, and you see this here, like that. And then I guess we just gotta put it down on the side, we can just kind of pull it out. This is a big thing. A lot bigger than I thought. Alrighty, so now we have a empty box. See that empty? Okay. Down over here. Pull that off. Oh, here we go. Here are the. See how that show up? Yeah, there we go. So that's all I know about it. Okay, and of course there's the back, and it's. Let's see if I hold it up here. There. Can you see that pretty good? Okay, great. All right, now let's get down to it here. Yeah. More stuffing. Okay, so that is nice. It's got faux wood grains on it. I've got cute little stuff right here. How does it show up in the camera? I have to look. Let me bump it up some. There we go. I just pull these out of here. Okay. Wow. Okay, so they didn't say it's got a faux wood grain to it. Alrighty. Wow. This is a big thing. Nearly as big as the. It's got a nice plastic strap there. Wow. That thing's big. Let's see here. Let's just, well, get the measuring tape and really measure it real quick. It is 17.5 inches across the top. Okay. And it is, not counting the handles that stick out, 5.5 inches deep, 6 inches if you include the handles, which is nice. And then, how tall is it? It is 14 inches tall. Great. Alrighty, and it's got, okay, let me wide, well, let's see here. Where's the camera at? Oh, you see pretty good, great. If I don't block the front view of it, you can see it as well as I can see. Okay, so up here on the top is your USB, your secure digital thing and your controls for it, I guess. Okay, and I was interested in it because it has a cassette deck, which, oh, look at that soft touch. Oh, that's real pretty. Like I said, I'm not going to power this up in this review. It's just unboxing this thing, and I really wanted to see what it looks like. Okay, so some more little doohickeys. And that's kind of. So here's the back. The back has got power cord inside. Great. And let me have the camera on a tripod. So let me zip in for you. Move the camera. And here, I can move the camera some more so you can see that little, I don't know what that is there, but, oops. Okay. There we go. And that's not really in focus. Oh, there it is. Now it's in focus. Yay. Okay. Got what, 6 minutes on this. Let's see. Well, I'd love to power it up for you and play it, but I'm not going to do that. But I'll try and show you the rest of it here. There we go. Looks like that. It's got a couple of antennas that pop up. And just, I guess I'll end this with a side-by-side view shot of the rc-550 versus this, okay? And yeah, that's a pretty good sized thing, isn't it? Wouldn't you think? And just, there's a view of that, and yeah, so that's all I know, and hopefully you enjoyed, and I'll review this with music later. Good day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.